and welcome. It's Jen from SS Designs Couture. Today we are celebrating Club Couture Thursday. This is our exclusive Club Couture transfer for the month of September. And I come on every Thursday and I show you different ways to use these transfers and ways to make various projects. Club Couture is such an amazing and fun subscription box, and for only $19.99 you can get a B-size transfer as well as 3 paste packs sent directly to your house every single month. We show you one project with it, and then members of our design lounge get to see exclusive content and exclusive videos every Thursday. So this is one of them. You will see me go ahead and I follow the standard procedure where I cut it apart and then I fuzz the transfers. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my ruler and I'm just going to situate everything onto the door tag the way that I want it. And I want there's 4 different pieces to this transfer. There is the main fall piece that is a distressed font. There is the blessings sentiment that you will see down below, as well as 2 leaf accents. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to use this transfer, but I wanted to show you guys all of the pieces that come in this transfer. This is my brand new candy apple red, and it is absolutely perfect to add to that gold shimmery background as well as use for fall. For this, I really pulled colors out of those flowers that I was already using, and I really wanted to keep with the fall theme. So I went ahead and I used that candy apple red and I covered the entire fall. Another thing that I've seen done with this is more of an ombre effect where you're taking 2 fall colors and you're kind of pushing them together. I do have videos where that is offered, and perhaps you will see it in an upcoming club event, but that is a different way to use that as well. Now you will see me using the bright white down below. I do a little technique down here. So I wasn't sure how well that bright white was going to show up on the gold shimmer background of the tag. So what I did was I covered it and then I revealed it, which is what you're seeing here. And I didn't think it was as vivid as I wanted it. So what you will see me do is you will see me put the transfer right back down. I didn't peel it completely up, so that way it was able to just lay right back down, right on top of the pre-established blessings sentiment. So I just laid that transfer right back down, and I took some more white paint and white paste, bright white paste, and I went back over it a couple more times, so that way it really was vivid when I pulled that transfer off. Another thing that you saw me do was, because I used couture wax on this surface because it's not a Club Couture, or it's not a chalk couture surface. So what I did was I waxed it. That way it makes it way easier when I am cleaning up the edges. Okay, now I'm going to use some meadow paste, and I'm just going to add those little accents right down to the bottom. Okay, so let me add the paste, and now I pull it right up, stick it right into my wash bucket. And I pull it up on both sides. Now I played around a little bit with putting that flower down below. I didn't really like the way it looked. I wanted it up top. So I used some Aleene's glue, craft glue. That tacky glue didn't really work the way I wanted it to. So ultimately in the end I end up using Gorilla Glue. Hot glue will also work. I just picked up these artificial flowers at Joann's on my last order. Or Hobby Lobby, or some crazy craft store that I haven't been in a couple of months. So I clipped the ends off, I glued it down, and there you have it, a beautiful door frame tag. Thanks much for watching. I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you soon.